kid is coming. Yeah, you like that sprinkler? That's fun. Okay. Come on, Wyatt!
Do you want to run
Wyatt,
it?
get on our team. Oh, here it comes. There it goes.
Now you need a...
Don't push him that way.
Goodness.
Look out, Alexander. They're going to turn it on. Back up, back up, back up. Hey, God. It surprised us. It surprised us.
Akshat.
Dad. Hi, Mama. Say hi, Mama. Look at Mama. Say hi. He waves to Mama.
You like the water? Look at those white bodies.
That's right. Seattle tans here. Is he coming? Here comes Mr. Wyatt.
Wyatt, will you jump over the
That's a
sprinkler?
good amount.
Over it?
Come here, little buddy.
Woo, nice one.
Here goes. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, jump, Alexander. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, jump. Okay, well, hold on. Take turns. Here we go. Akshat, are you going to do it?
Whoa.
Hey. Come here, bud. You want to do it again? 1, 2, 3.
Shoes utar do. Daddy, shoes utar do.
You want your shoes?
Are you going to do it by yourself?
Okay.
Well, he's going to do it by himself. Go ahead, buddy.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's
Jump.
give you a spot.
Okay, you have to wait for...
Yay!
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Now we're back to the water.
Ah, you're on the getting wet team there. Getting cold.
Oh.
Too much! They're fighting over there.
Akshat, no.
We're getting
Okay,
wet.
guys. Come here.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, Alexander. Let's get in there. Is it too much?
Akshat, do you want to play?
Yeah, that's just fun.
I think this guy's going to be a good swimmer. He doesn't mind getting wet.
Yeah.
Oh, here it comes.
Guys, go for swimming.
We're okay.
Wyatt loves in the pool, but so last year we were in the pool
There
a
you
lot.
go.
So we tried
Here it
swimming
goes.
lessons and that didn't go so
We
well.
jump through it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Again. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wanna go?
Should we do it again? Should we do it again?
In the water. Let's go in the water. Let's go in the water.
Wyatt, you want to jump through it? You want to? He wants to. Look.
Oh my gosh, look at him.
You ready? Here we go, Mama.
Okay,
1,
come on.
2, 3.
Again.
1, 2, 3. Oh, here they come. Here comes that shot.
Alexander.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Buddy. 1, 2, 3. Again? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
Look at his son. It's like,
Again? Okay. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, Akshat is going to do that.
are you kidding? What?
No one's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. Jump through. Jump through. Mwah.
Okay,
Wyatt, why don't you...
Wyatt, you want to jump through with me?